everyone. Today I'm going to be making pork chop in salsa verde, so stay tuned to look at the ingredients. These are the ingredients. I have tomatillo milpero. It's smaller than the regular tomatillo. It just has a lot more flavor. And then I also have cilantro, 3 serrano peppers, half of an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and then I do use the tomate bouillon. I like it, and then black pepper. It just gives it a lot more flavor. If you have the chicken one, it's also good, but I like this one. Those are the ingredients. You can see this is how my tomatillos are roasting, and they look pretty nice. That's why I like having it on medium high, just so that they can get this type of roast on them. As you can see, I mean, it doesn't take long, especially because these are smaller. That's what I like about the ones that are smaller, because the bigger ones take longer too. But they should be ready pretty soon. While that's roasting over there, I'm gonna be prepping the meat. These are the pork chops, and I prefer them without the bone, but this is all they had right now because of the whole pandemic thing going on. But I will be putting salt. Also, I have garlic powder. I like this one and that's it. And then now I will be putting them on the grill. I put a little bit of oil. Hopefully they all fit. And then eventually they'll get smaller right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna repeat the same process. Here I went ahead and put all the tomatillos, the chiles, and the onions and garlic. I also added a bunch of the little bunch that you guys seen of cilantro. And for the tomato bouillon, I put 1.5 spoonful of it. And then now I'm gonna blend it. Here are my pork chops. They've been on here for about 10-15 minutes already, but they're ready to go. So the second process, actually the third process, is I'm going to fry some onions to kind of lay out the pork chops on top of it, and then add the salsa and the cilantro, and it should be ready. So for the third step, this is what we're going to do. We're going to fry some onions and then lay the pork chops on top of the onions and then add the salsa. This is a whole onion right here, and all you're gonna do is just kind of fry them a little and then add the pork chops on them. Okay, so now we're gonna just start adding the pork chops in. And then now we're going to add the salsa, which, by the way, the salsa is delicious. Okay. And then we're just going to add another bunch of cilantro. Don't worry, everything's going to be cooked, because you still have to let it boil just for a little longer. And that's it. Here's the final results for the pork chop, and then I did make a rice. I do have a separate video for that, so if you want to go ahead and check it out, I will link it down below. So this is the pork chop. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So good. It's delicious. I didn't need to put anything else, just as I showed you guys. So good. That's it for this recipe. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys really try it. It was super easy, delicious, and if you guys want to see more recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe my videos, and turn on your post notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video.